Welcome back, guys. So let's quickly see how to generate HTML reports for all your test cases. There is one neat documentation here, pytest-html report. So if you go to their official project, so here they have given how to install a plugin. So basically you need one more plugin to see that HTML report. So to install, pip install pytest-html. So go back to your command prompt terminal and just give that command, and first that will install the plugin. So it's already present in my machine, that's why it says requirement already satisfied. So after that, if you want to get a report for the test what you have run, you have to give this flag --html equals to any file name. How do you want to see that report? This is just like a flag what we have used till now, like S stands for showing the reports in the output, K stands for regular expression for method name, and M stands for tag name, which you say map. So we have seen all those, right? Different. V stands for verbose. So these are the different we have seen till now. Similarly, there is one more flag called HTML. That's it. That's all you need to have. Right. So right now we were in pytest demo package. So there are so many test cases we have defined till now. So if you want to run all them, you know how to run them. If you simply pass py.test, it will blindly check all the test cases present in that specific folder. Okay, no matter how many tests you have, it will run everything, and you know how to run only few, or you have seen different options already. So for this, now let's actually add this HTML reporting. Alright, so one failed and totally 10 passed, one skipped and one warning. You are not saying much logs here because you did not use statement called -yes. If you put yes, then you will see all the logs here. Perfect. So our goal now here is to understand that when you add this flag, that's it, automatically a report will be created, report.html. So from this level you have given this command, right? So this report also will be in this path. Let's go and see. Report, you see that? Report.html. So right click, copy the path, and perfect. So this is the reporting for all your test cases. You will know how many pass, how many skip, how many fail, and these are the test case details, the name what you have run. You can see that cross browser test run 3 times because of parameterization. Right now there are no logs. In the next section I will show how to capture the logs. So we have printed some logs here. They were displaying at this point, but our goal here is to add these logs into reporting. How to do that we'll see in our next section, but this is how this file looks like how many packages, what is the platform, what are plugins you are using, what is the Python version, and different test cases, and how many pass, fail. This is the basic report what you have. But unfortunately we don't have any advanced reports with PyTest. This is what they were supporting us, but at the end it looks good. You will know how many pass and fail, everything on one single shot in one page. Alright, so this is how you can generate reports. You can just Google and go their official documentation. They have given proper way to install and use this plugin. Okay, so let me go back to our document. Except this point, we have completed all our concepts explanation. As I said, I will teach this after few lectures because I don't want to overboard you with so many topics at this moment. So from our next lecture, we will actually jump into logs. Logs are also playing one of the important role in framework development. We will see how to create logs in Python and how to attach to report and everything. and thereafter we will actually build framework from scratch. And that work will be easy because all the concepts you are learning now, when we actually start building framework, we will just attach all these concepts and put it in one place. That's it. Framework will be developed. Okay. And you might get many interview questions if you put experience that I have developed Selenium Python framework using pytest. So make sure you are clear with all your set. If you need any interview assistance with questions, you can always reach me at mentor at okay, you can reach me here and I will share you all the related Python framework interview questions. Okay, see you in the next section with logs. Thank you.